Window air conditioners provide efficient, targeted cooling where you need it most without complex installations. They offer the flexibility to cool specific areas, enhancing comfort throughout your home. To help you choose the right model, we've carefully researched and selected the top window air conditioners. For detailed information on each product, be sure to check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started. The first on our list is the Medea U-shaped window air conditioner. This window air conditioner stands out not just for its unique U-shaped design, but also for its significant noise reduction and energy efficiency. Celebrated for being exceptionally quiet and economical, it offers a serene indoor environment. The innovative U-shape uses the window itself to block noise from the outside, allowing for operation at a whisper-quiet level of 32 decibels, comparable to a library setting. This ensures that your living space remains a calm retreat. Another major advantage is its energy-saving potential. Thanks to advanced DC inverter technology, it achieves over 35% energy savings compared to traditional units, which is why it proudly holds the Energy Star Most Efficient certification. This efficiency not only eases the environmental impact, but also promises significant reductions in electricity bills. Equipped with smart control technology, it can be managed remotely using the smartphone app available for both iOS and Android platforms, and integrates smoothly with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for effortless adjustments. The design also features a flexible window installation that does not compromise your ability to open the window. This flexibility ensures that fresh air is just as accessible as conditioned air. Installation is straightforward with the included quick snap bracket and secure sidearms, compatible with most single-hung or double-hung windows. In conclusion, this model is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a blend of quiet operation, energy efficiency, and smart technology. The second on our list is the GE MAW12V1QWT. This GE window air conditioner is a standout choice for cooling larger living spaces effectively and efficiently. This unit, specifically designed for rooms up to 550 square feet, offers both robust cooling power and smart technology integration, making it a top contender in its category. With a cooling capacity of 12,000 BTU, this air conditioner ensures that large areas like living rooms or family rooms reach a comfortable temperature quickly, without the usual disruptive noise. The fact that it's Energy Star certified speaks to its ability to lower energy use and, consequently, your utility bills. One of the key features of the GE air conditioner is its smart functionality. It integrates seamlessly with the Smart HQ app, which allows you to monitor, schedule, and control your AC from anywhere. Compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant adds an extra layer of convenience, enabling voice control that fits perfectly into a smart home ecosystem. For those who prefer a more traditional approach, the included remote control provides all the necessary functions at your fingertips. The unit also features an eco mode, which intelligently turns off the fan and compressor when the room has reached the desired coolness, further enhancing its energy efficiency. This mode, along with 3 cooling modes and 3 fan speeds, allows you to customize your cooling experience to suit your comfort level and to optimize energy usage. Installation is straightforward thanks to the easy mount installation kit included with the AC. This model is designed to fit double-hung windows, and its fixed chassis means no extra support brackets are needed. In conclusion, this GE window air conditioner is a highly efficient and versatile appliance designed to enhance comfort in larger rooms. The third on our list is the LG LW1522 FVSM. This window air conditioner is an excellent solution for those needing to cool larger spaces effectively, offering a robust 14,000 BTU capacity that covers up to 700 square feet. This makes it ideal for large to extra-large rooms, ensuring every corner is reached. This unit stands out with its advanced inverter technology, which not only provides substantial cooling power, but does so efficiently. LG's inverter units boast up to 35% more energy savings than what's required by Energy Star standards, making this air conditioner both powerful and economical. The eco-friendly R32 refrigerant used is another nod towards LG's commitment to sustainability. One of the standout features of this air conditioner is its remarkably quiet operation. The low decibel, quiet operation technology ensures sound levels as low as 44 decibels in sleep mode, thanks to LG's unique BLDC motor and dual inverter compressor. This low noise level means that your comfort comes without the disturbance of a loud appliance running in the background. Remote accessibility via the LG ThinQ app adds a layer of convenience that modern users will appreciate. This technology enables you to control the air conditioner from anywhere using your mobile device. For those integrated into smart home systems, this unit also supports voice commands via Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, making adjustments as simple as speaking a command. Installation is straightforward with the fixed chassis and easy mount installation kit designed for double-hung windows. The washable dust filter is a practical addition, capturing dust from the air and maintaining the unit's efficiency and longevity. The fourth on our list is the Molly Smart Window Conditioner. The Molly Smart Window Conditioner offers a sleek, efficient solution for cooling spaces up to 450 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or small living areas. This 12,000 BTU window air conditioner combines functionality with smart technology to create a comfortable environment effortlessly. This unit stands out for its versatility, with options to cool, reduce humidity, or simply circulate air through its fan mode. It adapts easily to your comfort needs. Additional features like a 24-hour timer, eco mode, and sleep settings enhance its functionality, allowing users to tailor their experience to both their schedule and environmental preferences. The control over your indoor climate doesn't end with manual settings. Thanks to its Wi-Fi capability, the Molly Smart Window Conditioner can be controlled via a smartphone app, ensuring convenience at your fingertips. For those who enjoy a more integrated home system, this unit is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for voice-activated control that fits seamlessly into your smart home setup. Design-wise, the Molly is built for easy installation and maintenance. It fits well within windows measuring 26 to 36 inches wide and comes with adjustable side panels that minimize air leakage, ensuring that the cool air stays where it's needed most. The inclusion of a washable and reusable filter means you can maintain optimal cooling efficiency without ongoing costs or hassle. Furthermore, this air conditioner is committed to quiet operation, maintaining a low noise level of 55 decibels, which ensures your daily activities or sleep are undisturbed by loud operational sounds. In conclusion, the Molly Smart Window Conditioner is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a smart, efficient, and versatile air conditioning solution. The last on our list is the RW Flame Window Air Conditioner. This window air conditioner brings a blend of efficiency and convenience to cooling technology with its innovative U-shaped design. It is particularly suitable for those who appreciate natural light and fresh air, even while using their air conditioning unit. The U-shaped design is a standout feature, maintaining a full window view and allowing the window to be opened or closed even after installation. This design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your room, but also brings in fresh air whenever you prefer, combining comfort with freshness. With a robust cooling capacity of 12,000 BTU, this air conditioner is capable of efficiently cooling areas up to 550 square feet, making it ideal for medium to large rooms. It features 6 operational modes: cool, dry, fan, auto, sleep, and energy saver, offering versatility to meet various climate needs throughout the seasons. The temperature settings range from 62 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to customize the environment to your exact preference. Ease of installation is another significant advantage of this unit. It comes with all necessary accessories and can be fitted into single-hung or double-hung windows ranging from 24 to 48 inches wide. This makes setup straightforward and hassle-free, ensuring you can start cooling your space right away. The unit operates with remarkable quietness, maintaining noise levels as low as 45 decibels with its high-efficiency compressor. In conclusion, the RW Flame Window Air Conditioner is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an effective and versatile cooling solution. And that ends our list of the best window air conditioners. We hope this guide helps you to find the right one for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.